Hi everybody, today we are going to talk about our body lotion base and show you how to add a fragrance to it so you can expand your current line of products that you can offer to your customers. Our body lotion base is made in Canada, it's ready to use and is formulated with nourishing aloe vera, chamomile extract, and glycerin. It provides your skin with lasting moisture and a silky smooth feel. It is free from sulfates, parabens, and phthalates, offering a gentle option for creating custom lotions that cater to your customers' needs. With our body lotion base, there is no preparation required and comes as a natural scent, which allows you to customize it with your favorite fragrance. As always with candles and room sprays, we suggest batch testing a small amount of body lotion before moving on to large quantities to ensure your desired results. This really is so easy to make. Just weigh your desired amount of lotion and mix in your favorite fragrance. The max amount of fragrance oil to use to make it safe is 1%. Stir your lotion and mix thoroughly to ensure it's fully blended and smooth. Pour your lotion into your container and let the lotion settle for a smooth, even consistency before using. Always make sure to reference the IFRA sheet for exact percentages when mixing in fragrance oils just to be safe. And keep in mind that this indicates the max amount of percentage. If you find the scent to be too strong, you can always use less, but never go over. Adding a body lotion is going to expand your business to the next level. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.